Hey guys, it's your Captain Robin Sean here, and today I'm going to be filling up, not filling it in I'm filling in from Mermaid Princess Destiny to Mermaid Princess Destiny, and unfortunately she couldn't go for this video today, but she will go to the next one next week. Today we're gonna do an unboxing video. This is supposed to be Mermaid Princess Destiny's tail. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah. So pretty. So pretty. Oh. And the fin is heavy. Okay. This is decently heavy. This is kind of heavy, but it would be useful. Now the tail. Ooh. This is really pretty. I will show it to you when I put it all together. But this is really pretty. This is really nice. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a bra, but I will figure something out on that. So let's go ahead and put this all together, and I want to show you what it is, and I'm going to go ahead and try it on, but I'm going to pause the video first, so you guys don't have to watch. If I can get it. Figure out how to put it on, how to get it. Found it. Put it together and put it on. That's what's going to happen. Okay. Oh, that was a little bit small for it. It's a little bit small for it, but it's alright. Now close it up and try to put it on. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it and try to put it on. I'm gonna also put a different shirt on. Oh, what? I got it. Whew. I got it on. That took a minute. Oh, shit. Oh, I gotta fix it. Well, I'm a mermaid now. Now, let's try to get my ass up. Whoa, I got it. There we go. My first tail. Nearly impossible to get on. But I got it. I got it good. But I got it for sure. Oh my god. Well, I got it on. Alright. Now let's try to get this sucker off. Just give me a sec. No, it fits. It was just a pain in the ass to get on. I got it on. Do I look like a real mermaid now? Alright. So this is Mermaid Princess Destiny's tail. First tail. The second tail I'm going to be working on when I can. I'm working on a silicone tail. This is going to be the first tail, so until I can pay for a new one or when I finish working on the silicone. Holy crap. Alright. I should have thought this through. Anyway, now to try to get this pain in the ass. Take it off. This is going to be a pain, for sure. But the first thing I'm going to do is trying to make my way over to the camera. Oh! Okay. Oh, it's my way over. Hi. I made it. Now to pause the camera. Well, this was Princess Destiny's tail. Mermaid Princess Destiny's tail. And we figured out a fit. Now let's hope that Mermaid Princess Destiny likes it. If she likes it, that would be great. And the silicone tail that I'm working on is going to be a surprise for Princess Destiny and your guys' self. Alright, see you in our next adventure. Bye!